everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking, and today we're going to be looking at all the places in your kitchen that trap odors and just can't get rid of that smell in your kitchen. We're going to be looking at all the places. We're going to start with the stove top. I'm using my steam cleaner and I'm just going to degrease around the stovetop itself. This is to loosen up any grease that's been building up. I have not actually cleaned it with washing up liquid as of yet, but this is what I'm doing. I'm just going to wipe off the excess water. I'm going to focus on these what areas. I find is I tend to focus at the top stove top, but then I forget the edges of it, and that's what I'm going to focus on today. As I can see with the steam cleaner, I am literally going through the edges of it and any buildup that's there. I'm going to use this little cocktail stick, and any remaining buildup that's been growing or been there for some time is officially coming off today, because I find that's where most of the it's been building up and no one has been cleaning it, because I always focus at the top. So I think this can also contribute to some places, creating that order in your kitchen and you just don't know where it's from, where it's coming from. This could be one of the places, so check yours. Edge of your cooker and the backsplash of it, but I've got tiles, so I know this is one of the areas that get a lot of discoloration and get trapped with a lot of odors as well, so I'm going to do that. You can even use a washing up liquid and a cleaning toothbrush or your scrubbing brush, whatever you can, just to ensure that the areas are being cleaned. Just have to be a bit careful. Mine's removing a little bit more paint as well, so it's just be careful when you're taking it off. Okay, so another thing that could be holding on to orders in your kitchen is going to be the washing machine. So if you open it up, so you might have already cleaned the top section of your washing machine, but get your cloth. So it does have like a little bit of buildup. So what you do, get your spray. So that does hold on to quite a lot of odors. So if you clean, and then the other part would be the glass. So if you spray that as well. And then that. Next place that does hold on to a lot of odors would be your dishwasher. The main place we're going to focus on today would be this. So if you can see mine,
is kind of... Yep, so we're just going to tackle that right now. And that holds on to odors in the kitchen would be your sponge. So I'm literally getting rid of mine now. I know some people say get rid of this every week. How long do you guys keep yours for? How long do you clean your dishes with this sponge? Because do you use it for a week or do you use it for longer? Let me know in the comment section below. And I'm gonna get my...
If you are enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content, how to clean certain areas in your home, and product reviews.
I'm also going to clean the edges of the dishwasher itself, so I'm just going to pour a little bit and just clean the edges of the dishwasher. And these bits. We will wipe it all off. What is the code? Everything's now clean, and I'm just going to put everything back. The area that harbors quite a lot of scents is the sink. Sorry.
So I am using the elbow grease paste along with my sonic scrubber to just ensure that the whole sink is getting a deep clean, especially the drain area, because that also traps a bit of odors in there. So I'm trying to make sure it's a deep clean.
Grab my Flora. Leave it down there for a couple of minutes and then rinse everything, and it's all done.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and you guys have a lovely day. I will see you on the next one. Bye.